driveway extended and they laid the concrete. Sorry, it's really windy out here today. And this is going to be the shop area, the overhang and the I think it's called an overlay. Something like Kyle called it.
To expand on what Kerri was saying, it's a 20 by 40 overhang and a 15 by 60 lean-to with a 40 by 60 shop. It's a lot of concrete. It's looking good. Still got a lot more to pour though. The whole side drive next to where that big old concrete pump is right now, between the tractor and that truck, and then up by the house. This right here is the 15 by 60 lean-to. We'll use it for parties and gatherings, keep everybody covered. This is the right front of the shop. It will be a bathroom changing area with a sink, toilet, and shower for guests to use if we're hosting a party or swim party or anything of the like. And also I'll have an entrance for myself for when I'm out in the shop. This area that we're looking at right now will be the 20 by 40 overhang that Kerri mentioned for any extra parking and going into the double doors. So we really wanted to widen the driveway because it is a 3-car J-swing, and you can see even with that truck there that it takes up all the driveway. So once one car is there, you are not able to move any cars around. So that's going to do it for today. I'm sure you noticed the cameo of the red thing in the video and pictures. We'll do a video of that. We have a red thing that we've added to the property, as well as an orange thing that we've added to the property, and I'll have future videos for those. Hope you enjoyed the video and the progress of the shop and the concrete work. The steel should be going up Wednesday, the 10th of March. So again, thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button, hit that little bell to be notified when we have any new videos, and share these videos with your friends. Comment down below. Love to hear from you. Thanks. Bye.